and welcome to my channel DesignerNDcode. In this video we all will learn what are the form and input text. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So I have opened the VS Code and firstly I will put here the boilerplate. I will give the title input and form. I'll save it. So go live option is not coming here, so I will right click and click here. So here this is stamped and the title is also written. Now I will go on my VS Code and I will give the form tag first. So in the form tag there are the input text. You all should remember in the form tag there are the input text. The first tag is the name. I will give the name. Input name. Input text. It will be in text and I will write here name. So I will save it. You all can see our name is Cam. I will give the title so it looks some amazing. I will give H1. I'll save it and the title is Cam. And the next is after the name it comes the email and the email name. Then for the giving the email you will change the type and write here email. You all will get suggestion from the VS Code because it's the best software. And email. I will save it and so it has came. I will put a hit in the div tag. What is div tag? It divides your section, means that there will be two sections of name and email. Name section will be different and the email section will be different. I'll save it. So you all can see these are like this. So another input I will give. I want to submit this form and I will write here input. Now I will write here submit. I will give the value here. Value is equal to submit. I'll save it. So you all can see the form has come. If we will connect this form with the backend, so I will write here form and I will write here I will create next form to give example. So post action, we will write the method post or get. There are two options. I will not tell you right now. We will write only action. Here will we give connect the another backend, then it will be work and connected. So after that there comes the gender. If you want to give gender, there are date, gender, many input text. You all can search date or you can see my all video to know. So I will make different div and I will write here input and write here radio. They are radio. So I will give the ID. ID will be same ID and or the name. If they both will be same, so we will be able to select only one radio from two. So I am writing here any male. I will write here gender. Control S and Control D. I will tell you, and the name will be same. Type will be also same. I will write here female colon and the male. So if you are male or female, so we are able to select only two of them. After if you want to give a date, so you all can give div I will write input, and I will write here date. I will save it, and you all can see the option is scammed any date. So, and another is checkbox. I will write input and write here checkbox. So I will write here so it make a sense. Are you under 18? So if you are under 18, you will check. If not, you will not check. So this check, and the another is for writing a description or writing about. I will give this submit at last. You will click alt and select all this, and you will click the down button so it will come down automatically. So submit is coming here, and another input I want to put is div input. I'll write input, and then so you all can also write, see the suggestion from the VS Code, just like if you have a password. So I'm writing here password is not visible. It's amazing. Alright, the Google is also giving a suggestion from save or not. That's amazing. And I will write another input, and next input I will put is date time local. So this is date and time we all can put, and another input image control S, where it gone. Oh, I didn't give the link of image, so it can't work right now. Alright, we are leaving this, and we are putting here reset. So what reset do, I will tell you. I will put it with the submit option. Input reset control S set. I will give the value reset like that I have given to the submit. So right, I will write here anything. So if will be submit, so it will be submit. You all can see this is giving that email. Alright, we will reset, so all the data we have written will be removed. You all can try different, and you can search on the Google or the right here input and check from these. So input button, last I will give the button, so I will write button. So button has come. That's all for today. Meet you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.